Welcome back. Healthy living and disease prevention the natural way. That's just some of the focus of the Canada-wide Naturopathic Medicine Week. Naturopathic Doctor Olivia Rose is here to talk us all about it and give us some advice of her own. And we have to welcome you once again.
Thank you for having me.
So today you're going to talk about natural solutions for oral health.
That's right. Because it's really important what you put in your mouth, because a lot of chronic diseases can be caused by poor dental hygiene.
It kind of starts in the mouth,
Starts in the
right?
mouth. So diabetes, heart disease, and a slew of other diseases as well. So what I want to talk about is how to keep your mouth healthy naturally, how to brighten up those pearly whites. So the first one is oregano oil.
Right here?
Oregano oil,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, it's a natural antiseptic, so that means it kills all sorts of microorganisms like bacteria and viruses. And so all you need to do is add a drop or two to your toothbrush and brush your teeth with it as normal. And what's cool about oregano oil as well is that it's one of the solutions that I use in my practice for helping people to fight colds and flu.
That's right. I've heard a lot of people talk
Yeah.
about the miracles of oregano oil.
It can be,
so
it's
help.
very potent.
Okay.
And the thing is that when you use it in that way, that you're affecting your whole immune system, which is great.
That is
not just your teeth.
That's great. Just a couple of drops on your toothbrush, boom,
Yeah.
brush away, and you're killing all those germs,
Exactly.
right? Okay.
Yeah. And then we have tea tree oil. So tea tree oil works very similarly to oregano
Yep.
oil, right? So it's an antiseptic. Studies have shown that it's great for reducing gum inflammation. So that's the early stages of gum disease, which is really, really important. And same idea, you add a couple drops to your toothbrush, and you brush as normal.
Now, would you do oregano oil and then tea tree oil?
You can do either. I tell people to mix it up.
Okay,
Right?
You don't necessarily have to do one, then the other, then the other.
Exactly.
Right,
You can just
okay.
mix it up, and you don't have to do it every single day either.
Okay, that's
right?
good to know.
Yeah, and then next we have cloves. So very potent stuff.
I can smell it.
Yeah, so cloves are awesome because they are a numbing agent. And they have been shown in studies to be very similar to benzocaine gel, which is an over-the-counter numbing pharmaceutical, so an anesthetic. And what I have people do is use it as an antiseptic to kill bacteria, but also to numb that toothache. So if you have a toothache that's been going on for a while and you haven't been able to get in to see the dentist, you can simply use some cotton, make an infusion with a couple of cloves buds, so you steep it in hot water, so boiling hot water for a few minutes, and then that draws out all of the ingredients, all of the active ingredients. And then you can just dab the area in your mouth with it.
That's fantastic.
And that can help to numb the pain. You can gargle with it also throughout the day. And then, yeah, so it can be very, very effective.
Tide you over until you get to the dentist.
Exactly, because it's important to figure out what the cause is.
Sure,
right?
Of course.
And then we have baking soda, so good old baking soda. Everyone has this in their kitchen, right? Except don't use the one that's in the fridge, that's been sitting there for months, that's been opened. Use a fresh container of baking soda, of course.
I'm guilty of that. I'm guilty of that. Thank you for that piece of information.
Right?
Okay.
So you want to get it fresh, and then you can simply just sprinkle it over your toothbrush once again and use it to scrub your teeth. It whitens your teeth, removes plaque, and helps to freshen your breath as well, which is great. And studies have shown, actually, that toothpaste that contain baking soda are way more effective at removing plaque buildup than toothpaste that don't contain baking soda. So very, very cool.
Like that.
So just go right to the source.
Okay, yeah, and get a fresh box.
Exactly. And then we have oil pulling, which dates back 3,000 years. It's a part of Ayurvedic medicine. And what this does is you're basically using oil to swish around your mouth. The oil gets into hard-to-reach crevices. It gets in between your teeth and removes bacteria, which is really awesome because reducing that bacteria load is great for preventing plaque buildup and cavities.
That's fantastic. And you got some delicious
and we got some
apples here, which I cannot wait to bite into.
So raw apples actually help to scrub plaque off your teeth. But they also contain a whitening agent called malic acid, which helps to whiten your teeth naturally as well.
You are always here with such a wealth of information, bringing us natural solutions for oral health, and we can purchase these products at natural health food stores, right?
You have these spices in your cabinet right now, and tea tree oil at your natural health food store.
Oh, once again, thank you so much. It's always a pleasure. You'll be back shortly. You'll be back soon.
For sure.
All right.
Anytime.
Thank you so much, Dr. Olivia Rose, and thank you for watching the news at noon, and we will see you for lunch right back here tomorrow.